Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to convert decimal to minutes in Excel. Select the cells, then equal to decimal number oblique 24 hour for hour or 16 for minute. Select 24, then enter. Go to custom, select time, then right click mouse, go to format cells, number, select custom number, then we can find minute, second. Okay, then okay. Double click for autofill or copy and sense 24 60. Double click. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.